In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Alibaba 2025, step by step. Let's walk through the entire process together so you can place your order with confidence, even if it's your first time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Alibaba. On the results page, click the official Alibaba website at the top. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account so your cart, shipping details, and saved payment methods are available. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, head to the search bar and type exactly what you want. Clear keywords help you find the right items fast, so something like clothes women is a good example. You can refine later, but starting specific saves time. As you scan the results, pay attention to the minimum order quantity, often shown as MOQ. If you want to buy just one item, make sure the listing clearly says the minimum order is one piece. Many wholesale listings require larger quantities, so checking this early prevents surprises. When you find a product that meets your needs, click it to open the product page. Here, review the price, shipping options, and estimated delivery. Look for the trade assurance badge and a solid seller rating to add a layer of protection and reliability. When you're ready, click Start Order to begin the purchase process. Choose your preferred color and select the size that matches your measurements. If the listing includes a size chart, double check it to avoid returns or fit issues. To adjust quantity, use the plus sign beside the size or quantity field until it reflects the number you want. Once everything looks right, click Start Order again to proceed toward checkout. At checkout, choose your payment method. If you already have a saved card, select it. If not, the site will prompt you to add one. Click Add a new card, then carefully enter your card details exactly as they appear. Take a moment to review your order summary, including item variant, quantity, total price, and any shipping charges. When you're satisfied, click Confirm to save the payment method. To finalize, click Pay Now. Keep an eye on the confirmation page or email for your order number and monitor messages in your Alibaba account in case the supplier needs clarification. For peace of mind, keep all communication within the platform and avoid sharing sensitive information outside the checkout flow. That's it. You've successfully placed an order on Alibaba.